Welcome to my video, guys. I'm Layla, and I am doing a coffee maker, and we're going to talk about it. So, coffee maker has batteries right here, and these are the batteries right here, and you can open it from everywhere. And the batteries are right here and there, and you have a sound. Watch. See? And you can open this thing. If you don't want to break it, it goes this and that. This and back, and you can open it like this. And these are the things that you can put in. When you watch, guys, you can do this. I know you can buy this, and I'm gonna put it in. And I'm gonna do stuff. Let's pop out. It's stuck. Oh, there we go. Now turn on. It's pouring out fake tea. You can shake it and I'll shake. It's yummy, guys. And you can, there's batteries in front of it, and this is the back side, and this is the front side, and it has go right here, and a little bed right here, baby, coffee maker. And the other guy didn't see Chelsea. You can buy this from my favorite store, Target, and you can do every one you want to. And you can buy this from Target, and which one you want to pick. You can pick this one, or all of them. You have every one you want to pick. And you can buy the aerial thing that is huge. Bye. Make sure you hit the subscribe to Laylah's videos. Bye.